Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and my friends with me. If you haven't watched the last video, yeah, Charlie was there. Yeah. And Evelyn's sleeping on my bed right now.
Like literally, wait,
I stayed up all night.
Show it because your pants are starting to fall down.
Yeah. and we stayed up all night.
Oh yeah, we did.
And today we're going to today we're going to be teaching you how to make squishies.
Yeah, okay. So I actually taught her, and then she, yeah.
Hey, did you learn it from YouTube?
Did
you learn it from YouTube?
I think I learned it from a TikTok.
Okay. So first,
not TikTok, but YouTube short.
So first, you're gonna fold the paper in half. It doesn't have to be even.
No, guys, I did not eat the paper. I just went like this so I can hold it in place.
And then you could just draw whatever you guys want, but right now, me and Charlie are gonna draw a strawberry.
Okay, I'm gonna wait. What else? You can use the black one.
I'm bad at drawing
Can you
strawberries.
scoot over that way a little bit? So yeah, thank you. So I have room for my hand.
Was that good?
Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good.
I know mine's kind of bad.
But it actually is good though. Actually is good. For like, if you're 6, and that's really good for 6 years old.
6.5, you mean?
Yeah, you're still 6 though. Like I'm 8.5, but I call myself 8. But can you move this up a little bit because I'm taller than you? So they can't see me, thanks. They can't even see your face while we're doing it.
Yeah, we're looking down right now. And we're drawing a strawberry.
So I'm going to show you after we draw it.
I'm not going to show you mine because it's really bad. I hope you're red.
Yeah, after I'm done.
Okay, I'm going to restart. So I'm just, like, if you
just
need to restart, you just have to fold the paper backwards.
So I did this.
Now
and now I have to color it.
Not red. Can I have red?
You can use
Thank
it
you.
as well.
Thank you.
Why you say thank you twice? Little seeds. It's going to be a tiny squishy, but you can always go and pause the video and redo it to make it bigger.
Yeah.
Because we wanted it to be tiny because we have too many big ones.
I'm sorry some people come in the door because they don't know that we're making a YouTube channel.
I mean video.
Yeah, video. What did I say, YouTube channel? YouTube.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, I don't know how to draw the leaves, so I'm going to draw the seeds for now.
Wait, why did I grab so many colors I don't need?
Why are you using my drawer so much?
Because I can't find the yellow broski. You know what? I just use orange. It's fine. It's the closest thing. Was that your stomach?
No.
I
thought the seeds were black.
Well, that actually might have been Evelyn's stomach.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought the seeds are black on strawberries.
I think they're yellow.
Some were black, so I would look really closely sometimes.
I think you're thinking of the watermelon, but that's okay. Because it still looks good.
Yeah. And you guys can restart 2 times on one paper.
Wait, guys, if you're watching this, if you can comment down below what our last video was together. Because we only made one. And this is our second one.
And try not to go back to my YouTube channel.
Yeah, but see if you really watch us. Well, her.
Because you don't have a YouTube channel?
Well, my mom said I can have one on 10.
Yeah. Can you tell them why you can only have your YouTube channel?
My mom said it would be okay if my dad said yes, but then he also said 10, so I can't get it. But also my dad says not until you're 10 because like stalking online.
Like, have you ever heard about that? Or
Like in movies.
like it's just on movies. Like, is your mom just like don't want you to be a YouTuber like when you're young?
Probably.
Guys, comment down below if you ever been stalked.
Stalked?
I mean, not stalked. Like, what did your parents say again?
Hacked like online
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah, comment down below if you got hacked online.
Or like stalked online.
Yeah, I meant stalk online earlier.
What?
The cat flew right onto me. Can we trade strawberries?
No! It's okay. Yours looks super good. It actually looks like a watermelon with spikes right now until you add the green. Oh, you can use the green. Here's a lid. No, I used the red.
I think this is too big.
You know the other video? For some reason, I don't know what I'm even saying now.
You're kind of like V now. V's like.
Oh yeah, because V always like gets your language. Like yeah.
You need to make the stem queso.
No, you don't need to make the stem. Actually, we do because. Well, that only a little queso because.
Like that queso.
So what do you mean by queso? We mean fat because.
If you guys don't know the YouTuber queso, he eats a lot. I don't think it's the same height. Okay. Do we cut it? Oh yeah, we cut it out now.
Yeah, you can cut it out now. Do you want a bubble cut or do you want a side?
I'm gonna do a bubble cut.
Okay.
You guys could do bubble cut or side, or like a side. Yeah, side cut. Actually, yeah, I might do a side cut.
Yeah.
But I'm doing a bubble cut around the stem.
In real life, I'm really shy, but when I would do like a YouTube video, I'm not because, like it feels like no one's watching you, and then when you post it, everyone's watching you.
Yeah.
And then
I actually barely got any subscribers.
I mean, yeah, your YouTube channel is really hard to find.
Yeah. Now the taping. Do we only?
The taping.
Oh yeah, I just need to tape that half right.
Yeah, together. The tape is right here.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. So guys, you're going to cut it out. So then, if yours is wider, like a rainbow, for example, it's going to look like that. You're only going to tape half of it, and then you're going, and then the rest we are going to tell you later.
Yeah, so wait on for us. Don't go ahead because you don't want to mess up and restart. But if you do mess up and have to restart, just fold it inside out. But if you already done that, then just pause the video.
I just moved my chair out of the way.
Okay.
And if you guys already know how to make squishies, then you could go ahead of us.
Yeah. But if you're just watching this video, yeah. Like, if you're just watching this, then you can fast forward or anything, but just watch the whole thing. Because that's fun.
What if they already fast forwarded it before you even said that?
I don't know. What happened?
You should have said that in the beginning.
Oh, yeah. I should have.
But you didn't.
Yeah, Tia. For some reason, I can't like or subscribe on my iPad because my mom said I can't, but also because she didn't set up a account for it.
Yeah, and don't worry, guys, if there's tape on the side because later we're going to tell you what you're going to do with it. We're not going to tell you because we don't want to spoil it. Oh.
It's not like a surprise, but we don't want to tell you because we don't want you to go ahead. It's not like we don't
They
trust
could
you,
fast.
but like,
They could fast forward it though.
yeah, if you're done before us, just fast forward it.
Yeah, my tape is stuck. I said steak one time.
Steak. Now I want steak.
My mom can make it. Oh my god. The tape is so sticky.
Wait, when's my mom picking me up?
A one.
Yay.
And can you help?
We have a lot of time.
Wait.
Wait, right now is actually like...
And can you help me take off this?
Oh.
Yeah.
Right now it's like 7. Guys.
Everybody should be waking up in my house right now.
Yeah. Wait. Right. I'm literally
You're
turning into V. So we stayed up like all night.
I mean, you didn't, but me and her sister did.
But and then like she passed out. So
Yeah, she
well, not passed out, but got really tired and then had to go to sleep.
Yeah.
So
Passed out is basically kind of like sleep.
Yeah, but like I'm still not done drawing. And you're already typing.
I don't know how to do the rest, so.
It's because I'm drawing really good.
Yeah, and I saw 2 holes in your BFF squishies.
Oh, so you can redo it. It's fine if it looks like this because you gotta cut it right.
And then guys, you're going to need some cotton balls, so let me grab them.
Yeah, you do. If you don't, it's fine. Just watch the video, and then just tell your parents, or if you are a parent, order it, and then just save your drawing so when you get it, you have it.
And then you will have to get this kind of cotton balls.
Well, any type of cotton balls that like can fluff it.
But if you have these ones, you have to like unwrap it, just like that. It's kind of fun to unwrap. And then
it's because these ones are hard.
Yeah, and you're just going to like break it so it could fluff up.
Did you straight cut it or did you bubble cut it?
Bubble.
I'm gonna straight cut it.
And then if you think small, just break into smaller pieces. Oh, this one's hard to break up. Charlie, for some reason, like when you try to...
Tia, we forgot to draw the bike.
It's fine.
I'm just gonna do a little bit. I'll do like red.
Yeah, like we forgot to color the back, but you guys are supposed to.
So I'm gonna do it so you guys can see if you want to do it. But she's not, just in case you don't want to do it. So if you do want to do it, you gotta open it and you gotta color like here, where you did your drawing.
The smaller your picture is, the better it is. So I mean, you have to color it less. Charlie, for some reason, when you try to rip the cotton balls like really hard, it doesn't work. But when you like go softly, it rips.
Yeah. Now.
Hey guys, like, look. I'm
Where's
trying so hard. It's not ripping. Oh,
where's the green?
I actually did.
Oh, it's right here.
Okay, I probably only need 1 cotton ball just for 1 strawberry. Whoa. And you know how to color the back. If you want it to be white, yeah, it could just be white. Okay, I need room to cover it, so that's fine. I only need like this much.
Okay. Think that's good. So now I'm gonna start cutting.
Luckily, I was just done with the scissors. Now, when you're done stuffing it with the cotton, you're going to put it like this. Like now the here, wait. tape kind of got stuck. Okay. Now the tape's gonna look like that. You're just gonna tape it over here. You're going to fold it on the back, like you're folding, like you fold it in the beginning, and then you just like press on it for a little bit, and then that's how you make your squishy. And can I be ahead of you? I'm gonna
you
go
can be ahead of us. Like if they're so you be the person like if the people watching this video, because I said people because I don't know if you're boy or girl, but so the people watching this video, like if you're the one, if they're faster, they're gonna copy you, and if they're slower, they're gonna copy me.
Yeah. And you're going to need big tape for this, but you're going to need small tape also, just in case if you have holes in your squishies, and then you need to fix it.
I'm sorry, I kept grabbing the wrong thing. The tape almost fell.
And it's hard to do it back.
Can I have the scissors after you?
Yeah.
Gotta throw my paper away.
For some reason, we act like that we're sisters.
Huh?
For some reason, we act like that we're sisters, but we're not.
Yeah. But I met her in Lake Chelan, so. Cause we go.
No, you met me at the beach.
In Lake Chelan.
Stick it right on my shoulder.
I'm gonna use the scissors now. Tapey.
I feel like there's a hole in it. That's why I'm covering it up.
I wonder how long this video is right now. Oh, it's 17 minutes already.
At least videos are more longer than that.
Yeah.
Some videos are like...
So when's the longest video you ever did?
It was probably 1 hour.
What?
Yeah, there's actually
For
some
what?
video. Chad and V made a video that was 1 hour.
Who?
Chad and V.
Oh.
And now...
No, like the
you're
longest
squishy.
video you made.
Huh?
No, the longest video you made.
It's probably 17 minutes. Like right now. Why did you tape your rubber to the table?
I don't know.
You taped it to the table.
Bruh.
Now you got your squishy. And like, if there's no cotton up here, you could just like push the cotton up. And guys, later we're going to make some more. I'm still waiting for her.
Make sure it's extra secure. So I'm putting it in the same place. Now I need to stuff it. Where do you
Yeah, the cotton balls. Oh, it's there.
Okay. Go, I can do it.
The unwrapping's actually so fun.
Yeah. Mustache. I can't believe we're making a video with her. I feel so bad because she's my sister. Like I put in that cotton, but my nose kind of made me want to sneeze. One time, I think it was a kid YouTuber, and he picked his nose on camera. But I don't want to talk about that too much, even though now like it's on YouTube. It's on YouTube, but
I think that's too much cotton.
I think I need one more. Because
One more? No, guys, look. It could barely even close, and
Yeah,
she wants
because
more cotton.
But I only did one cotton, so I'm gonna add one more.
I only did one cotton.
Wait, let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna actually stop here because it might get too full and then like not be squishy.
Oh,
Tape. Okay.
if
You make it small, you probably need like 2 pieces of tape, maybe even 1.
Oh, that's.
Okay, see this little opening? It's like a mouth. Then you go like this. So, and then
Some people might forget that part, what I said, so you're repeating it.
Then you go like this. So you close.
No, there's a hole here.
And then you go like that to make sure it's secure. Hold this in.
It kind of looks like that there's like a squishy and it's wrapped in plastic wrap.
Yeah.
It looks like it.
Oh. And there's just still a little hole, so I use this tape for like the little holes.
I have so many holes in my squishy. Guys, you don't know how many, you guys don't know how many holes I have in my squishy, but I have a ton. Probably more than 10.
Now I'm cutting off the excess.
Yeah, you have to cut off the excess.
But you want to cut it like that far, like that, so it's still like out, so it like doesn't like make a hole. Yes.
So, cutting the out ones probably the excess is probably the hardest thing because like you always make holes that way.
Yeah.
That's why like you want it.
That's why you wanted tiny tape by you.
Yeah. And just try to keep it like not too close to the paper. Just keep it like kind of far away from
like this.
It's just like this. Just leave a little excess.
Okay, guys, we don't want to make the video too long, so at the end we're just gonna clap, and it's just gonna appear.
We're actually not gonna clap. We're gonna show you something.
Well, not like clap, but like so.
We're gonna snap.
Yeah, snap. So, guys, this is my squishy.
And we're going to make a couple of these in 3, 2, 1.
I just threw it. Okay.
And we made some more. We made this heart one. We made this bunny one.
We made this one.
And we made this big flower.
And we made this rainbow with a purple back.
And we made this BFF one.
Wait, I have to see one because remember I made it for like both.
Yeah.
And then I also made some more.
Charlie has the exact same one. You made some earlier?
Yeah. I made some yesterday at home.
Okay.
I wanted to show them.
Yeah, she's going to show you really quick before we go.
And say bye. Okay. It's already 23 minutes. So first we have the BFF one with hers. Wait, can I use some mini tape because it kind of
Yeah. You have to use the mini tape because hers is kind of broken. Now I have 7 squishies. How about you, Charlie? How many do you have?
At home, I don't know actually. So I have this
7.
one. I have this one. I didn't bring all of mine.
Okay, Nate, let's see. Because I saw a couple holes right there. That's a big one. Can I show them your heart?
Yeah.
And she made this one. It's an orange one. And it has the same sticker on the back, but it's just yellow.
We made this earlier. I think it was yesterday.
Yeah.
We made this flower, and then on the back it looks like a lollipop for me.
But for me, it's just an orange one.
And then I also made this at home, like at my house. It's a rainbow, and then the other side's...
Over here is kind of hard.
Yeah, I know. And then the strawberry I just made. I didn't bring all mine because, yeah, I didn't have room. So, guys, that's all of our squishies.
Bye. See you in the next video. I'm going to update, in forever. Bye.